Hey guys, it's Megan with RHR Swag. Are you looking for a budget-friendly tonneau cover to keep all of your belongings safe and dry on your camping trips, racing, maybe you're just visiting the lake? We have a tonneau cover for you. This is the Access TonnoSport. It has a 1/2 inch profile. It is sealed on both sides of the cover, front and rear, to make sure your belongings stay dry. We have a fabric weather seal right here on the front and the back, as well as a release trigger. You easily pull that to roll up your tonneau cover. Then you have these handy clamps right here to make sure that your tonneau cover stays sealed while you have your belongings in the bed of your truck. Once you are completed with your tonneau cover, you just unsnap those, simply roll it down. Let it get straight. Go back to center. And snap. And that's all that's to it.
Join us at rhrswag.com.